What is your favorite Yiddish word, phrase, or maybe song?
I like a lot of things that we use in Lithuanian, like shmutkes. I like this word.
What is shmutke?
Shmutkes it's a thing that clothes or things that you like to buy. Shmutke. We usually take your shmutkes. Take your stuff that you have with yourself.
Mm-hmm.
Or I like schmutzig. It means dirty. But I remember my grandmother always said that, oh, you're schmutzig. Clean yourself. Tu esi schmutziness. You mean that you're dirty. So some of the words that are from Yiddish, but you use in Lithuanian, and you think it's very normal. Or the same word yo. All day we use that word yo without saying yes type. So this is so those little ones, but it's something that when I talk, I catch up myself that hey, those are in Yiddish. And some of Lithuanians, they say those words as well, but they don't understand that it's in Yiddish. And I say, hey, you talk in Yiddish actually a little bit. Really? Yeah, you said, let's go to shule, or, shul, or like haver, hebre, let's come on, and said, yeah, it's in Yiddish. So that's those little words that it's, colors my day. I like it.